Yo guys, what's going on? Is everyone there?
Can you guys hear us?
Can you guys hear us all good? How's everyone doing today? How's the boys doing?
We had a beautiful start today on the Discord group. All the people are printing. We had some 4 execution live. While we took gold this morning, we prepared and showed everyone about 𝗙𝗎𝗎. We did commodities, we did gold, we did futures, we did Nasdaq. All of you guys are printing. Is anyone on the chat here from Discord?
Any of you guys joined on the Discord? We got some bangers today. Yeah. How's it, Vic? How's it, XRP verified? How's everyone doing today? You guys doing good?
CPI data printed, came out. Currently the DXY is in no man's land.
Absolutely.
I'm waiting for DXY to get to a specific area, to be honest. And it's just not doing so. It's just sitting between 99.920 and 99.800.
No, 100%. Boys, a lot of us caught, I'm not sure if you guys were on that live stream this morning, but me and the king, we caught a few trades. The microphone's really bad for me. You guys can't hear me?
No, it's working perfect. Just change your laptop, buddy.
Huh? The mic apparently is bad.
𝗙𝗎𝗎 hit you break even. Let me have a look for you. What's going on in the market? Like I said, the market is just going crazy today.
No, the market was crazy. CPI got us in on around 3 or 4 trades, I think.
Yes, 𝗙𝗎𝗎 hit you break even. That's right.
Exactly.
But like I've mentioned, if you made money yesterday and you're willing to take the risk, you're only risking 3.3%. Everyone that took the calls that we did yesterday should be up by over 150% if they risk 3.3% on each trade. 100%. And we took around 3 trades. So 𝗙𝗎𝗎, you can stay in the trade. Usually, me personally, I don't go break even because my risk to reward is so good. Thomas, I think, also do the same. But for you guys, for you capital protection, we're just showing you how to manage your capital and how to manage your position accordingly. And you adopt from there. You can do your own calls. As you can see, the risk to reward is not off at all. So
which broker do I use? I'm using 𝗪𝗏𝗏 at the moment. So guys, let me run you through what we spoke about on that live Discord stream this morning. So what we spoke about was this. I introduced you guys to my TCM levels, which are levels that banks and institutions tend to drive price to and tend to see reversals from. Hello everyone, I tried to place an order on 𝗪𝗏𝗏, but I'm getting the message insufficient balance. So what could have happened there, boss, is you know, if you have an account, it should be called the unified trading account. You might have your funds all in a thing, I think it's called just balance. So try to transfer from your balance to your unified trading account. I actually had the same issue. So let me just run you guys through which brokers 𝗪𝗏𝗏. I would use any forex broker that offers a similar pricing range to 𝗪𝗏𝗏. Ozilla, you posted a market warning on your Discord and said that you stayed out, and shortly after that you went long. Why?
Yeah, of course. No, I'm saying stay out from any new trades. That's what I meant. So GBP NZD, we planned that, we put that through, is looking perfect. But I was talking about gold, and I was talking about the DXY, how they both, for the period of 10 minutes, they were moving in the same direction. Now, the pair XAU USD, which is gold versus the dollar, it's going down. If gold is at first, plus dollar is second, which means if gold is strong,
dollar should be weak.
Exactly, which means gold should go up.
Exactly.
And dollar should go down. But they both of them are moving in the same direction. That does not affect you GBP NZD.
Yeah, exactly. But something that you can also speak about is that when the US dollar and gold are not aligning, and
stay out of the market.
Stay out of the market.
Don't trade gold.
So, yeah, what you need to do, Boss Newgen, is you need to put it in your unified trading account. That should work. But basically, when you guys are seeing the dollar, so the dollar index, DXY, going up, and you're seeing gold going up, I would just stay out of the market. Because at that point, nothing is really making sense. We're seeing some tomfoolery happening.
Pull up the gold chart.
Let's put up the gold chart quickly.
I just want to show them what I'm talking about.
Yes, Chanto is here. He's in the chat.
What's up, Chento? What's going on, brother?
What's going on, Chanto? How are you doing, brother?
So this is the reason I told you guys to stay out of the market, is because DXY is going down. Gold also happens to go down, which is supposed to be the other way around. Gold should go up. DXY is going down. Gold is going down. Doesn't make sense to me. I would not trade that. But to answer your question, this does not affect GBP NZD.
Yeah.
And well done to whoever took the GBP NZD from yesterday's call on the Discord. No, we actually did that on the live.
Yeah,
we were streaming.
We did on, well, the first trade we took on
GBP NZD. I've showed you guys how to manage it. I gave you the two options on when to enter if it doesn't go to our first area, and then we did it on the live. The 15 minutes closure gave us green, and I told you guys to go long, and you should be up 1 to 10 by now. That's on the first race. So today what we're trying to do on GBP NZD, if you in the second trade that I mentioned on the Discord and you're not out break even, you should be up 1 to 1. So what we're trying to do is scale in positions to our main target.
100%.
And our main target is 2.31800.
100%. And guys, I just wanted to update you on the trades I was speaking about a bit earlier. I don't know if you guys remembered, but we spoke about GU. We spoke about GU coming to respect that 50 MA. We spoke about GU maintaining above this level right over here. About that TCM I spoke about in the Discord stream. What did we do? We came, we respected, we tested the 50 MA. We came, we broke up. This could have been a secondary entry. But most importantly, you guys will see right now, is look how we respected. Look how we respected the 61.8. Look at this. This is what I was talking about earlier, about price respecting 61.8, rejecting the level, and then you can get in. So what you guys could have done here is price rejected. We came right over here. We had another green candle, which did have some sell side pressure. But the next candle that printed is showing us that price is most likely to go to the upside. We broke the 50 MA again to the upside and came and retested it. So this could have been your secondary entry, like I just mentioned before. But this GU trade was spot on.
They had 3 opportunities
They had
to get
pretty
in.
much 3 opportunities to get in. This is the GU trade I spoke about earlier. EU, if you're not in already, you should have hit TP.
Jesus, look at that.
You should have hit TP. So the level I spoke about was, again,
That is 15% right there. That's 1 to 5, right?
exactly.
So if they're risking 3.3%, they're over
Look at this.
15% up.
If you guys used, you could have gotten in 3 places. You could have gotten at the 78. And look how we came down. We filled all this liquidity over here and we just bounced straight to the upside. These are the types of trades that me and 𝗕𝗄𝗎𝗄𝗋 have been posting. We called them in the Discord. So we called them in that live stream.
We did not really send anything this morning from the live trading that we did, because all the active people are on the Discord. So we was like, guys, we're gonna take trades on the live Discord. We're gonna take it on the live, and we did.
100%.
And the only trade that
we did end up sending.
we didn't
gold.
take on the live was GBP NZD.
Yeah, GBP NZD also played out perfectly. Guys, I understand a lot of people have had the problem that we haven't been able to post everything in the Discord, in the live streams. But unfortunately today, people that were on the live stream got extremely lucky. They caught, I think, 3 trades if they took all 3. And all 3 of them are looking super good. We spoke about NASDAQ. I spoke about NASDAQ on the live stream as well. I said to you guys that if we maintain this level, what we could see is a retracement into either the 61.8 or alternatively a retest of that MA. What did we do? Retested the MA. This is the exact trade I spoke about on the Discord. Bang, 61.8, absolute peach of a trade. I mean, look at these trades we're entering on. Thomas, why don't you include this in your challenge? Because on my challenge, we're trading GBP USD only. That's why.
So guys, I just want to elaborate a bit on all these trades. And I know there's a lot of you guys being like, there's so many trades, so many messages coming in. There's always a ping, new message, new update and all of that. You got to understand, we're trying to maximize your profit. We're running 10 pairs at the same time. Commodities, Forex, and we have
indices.
Crypto, exactly. If you're risking 3.3% on each trade, you shouldn't be scared to get into every position, because overall, our minimum risk to reward is 1 to 5.
100%.
So there is no reason for you to be scared, because if you losing 5 trades in a row and you win in 1, the only thing you losing overall is commission, which is nothing.
100%.
And most of the time you hit in 1 to 12, 1 to 21. You're risking 3.3% of your account. So don't be scared to get into the position when we send it. Just go for it, because in this game it's about how small can you go in and how big can you come out with. So
we want more crypto trading.
100%.
Don't worry, guys.
Trading.
This is our first 2 days of streaming together. Me and 𝗕𝗄𝗎𝗄𝗋 have known each other for quite a while now. We've been trading together for
over a year,
past year or so. So guys, we are just getting started, honestly. If you've missed the trades in the last 2 days, that is okay. We now back-to-back days with, I think I took a loss yesterday. We took how many wins on the live? 2 wins on the live. You took a GJ win on the live. Today we had gold, which did give you guys all the opportunity to get out break even. And then bromance. True bromance. True trading bromance. Nothing more than that. I'm trying to pass my bit funded. 100%, brother. 𝗕𝗄𝗎𝗄𝗋's got you there.
It's not about how many trades you take, brother. Risk management, especially when it comes to funded account, because the reason they have rules for pass in your account and 10% and all of that. They know the industry out there gives the false information, and their risk to reward is so off. They know 90% of traders fail.
Exactly.
So if you manage your risk properly, and you went in yesterday and you risked you risked 0.5% on each trade, I promise you one trade you pass the account.
100%.
And if you risked $500,
the market is open. So the market did just open. We're having a nice pump to the upside on GU. Euro is already hit TP, so I don't really care what happens there. US 500 and NAS, we're seeing a retracement, but we're still holding that 50 MA. If we do break that 50 MA, I'm already break even on this trade. So if you guys aren't break even on NAS, I would suggest going break even now if you guys are in. And do you have a recommendation for a forex broker for a small account?
we're working on that. It's coming. We're gonna mention it soon. Just hang on.
Just hang tight,
that.
guys.
And we're also working on a nice funded. We make sure if you pass your account with us, they're not gonna fuck you over and not pay you out, because you're gonna be printing money on that. Let me tell you that. And you said I risk 0.5% per transaction. That's beautiful. And
Great risk management, brother.
that's all that matters. And always watch out for your daily limit drawdown.
Yousef, you want to run them through quick bias on Bitcoin?
Bitcoin, from what I've seen today so far, a push to the upside and then dump.
Let's see how Bitcoin's looking right now.
Guys, to be honest with you, I did not expect any trade today. I
Neither
woke
did
up with
I.
a mindset, like I've mentioned yesterday on the Discord, Asia, London is going to be quiet, and it being quiet. We had such a massive move yesterday. Everything
Yeah.
was down. Bitcoin was down. Gold was down. The Nasdaq was down. S&P was down. DXY just rallied to the upside. A lot of people lost a lot of money. We made a lot of money. And well done to whoever took the
trades that we
hit yesterday
Guys,
on Nasdaq.
we're gonna try, me and King Azulez, we're gonna try and do one Discord a day and hopefully one stream a day. It won't be like that every single day. You must understand there's a lot to do in a day, and for us to also give you good trades on the Discord as well. It's pretty tough. But one thing I can say is that if we are not posting continuously on the Discord, it's most probably because we've taken trades with everyone live. So the entries, they've already happened. Everyone's already in. So
We have given them the direction on Bitcoin this morning on
we did.
the webinar.
Do you want to give them an update of what you're looking for? Maybe just the short and the long that you're looking for?
I'm looking at it right now. Bitcoin,
Binance does have a TradeFi account.
like I said, I'm not expecting any positions today on Bitcoin and all over the market, because when you have such a move the previous day, the next day is most likely not to happen. The only reason we see market moving now is because of CPI. I can tell you that's the only reason. So for Bitcoin, I just wanted to push up a bit and then keep on dumping. So hopefully by the end of the day, Asia session will start dumping if New York don't move anywhere. So if you looking to enter anywhere, look at 62,400. That can be a good entry. For short, for long, you can look around 6,400 flat.
For long on Bitcoin, 6,400 flat.
Yeah.
Let me put that in.
And for stop loss, let me just calculate your stop loss, because here at ScalpX we only use dynamic stop losses. We don't use
400.
Yeah, we don't use
Stop loss would be
previous low and all that
20
bullshit, because remember, trading is all numbers. It all comes down to your footprint. When I'm looking at a candle, I'm not just looking at the color of the candle. I know what's inside of the candles, how many orders it need to be filled.
This was something you were looking at. I think it was a 1:4.
It's 1 to 5. Let me
1
just
to 5.
calculate the stop loss for
I think it
them.
was 2.9 or 2.29.
Yes, 2.9.
Yeah,
That's
this
right.
guy Troy. Appreciate this from previous stream. Great to see you tuning into both streams. GM Rodriguez, the trading measures too far. 100%, brother. So what we'll start doing is we've got more structure coming in the next few days. We'll start posting every morning that we're going live at a certain time. If you guys are there, you're there. If you're not, unfortunately, I don't think we'll be recording the streams unless
We're working on that.
we're working on that. Yeah.
Jay, you said you are not able to open a 0.05 on Bybit. What are you exactly trading? Is it currencies or is it commodities?
Yeah. What was the problem? Are you having a problem, JK, with opening positions just on Bybit, or is it seems like he's having issues? 0.05. Okay, so the reason that they may not be letting you open those positions is maybe they don't let micro lots open. So you might have a minimum of 0.1. That could be a reason. Yeah. Yousef. That's probably the reason. You can't open a 0.05.
I don't think they should have a minimum.
Some brokers do.
Oh, what is he trading?
I think he's trading our trades, all of our trades.
No, but that's what I'm talking about. Is he trading commodities or is he trading...
JK, what are you trading? Are you trading commodities? Let me know.
Bitcoin is moving to the upside. We might get an entry on the live. Let's go, boys. Get ready.
PTC, a little long.
Oh, look at that candle to the upside.
Beautiful.
I wonder how much liquidation is taken out today.
Did I look on FlowX? So BTC could be a possible entry. We just broke to the upside on the 50 MA. It's looking pretty clean. Just gonna go take a look at GU.
I love it when there's volume in the market.
GU's absolutely flying. EU, we hit target. If you guys on break, Nasdaq must have taken us out break even. Okay, we're about to get taken out. Okay, we just got taken out BE on Nasdaq. It's not an issue. May I send you a private message, Thomas, regarding my Bybit problem? Yes, brother. Just send me a private message. GBP, USD, maybe you guys are going to see us hit a clean 1:5 on stream today. What is your opinion, Yousef, on the king of all kings? Are you the king of GJ as well? They don't know about you.
Oh yes,
They don't know, eh? Guys, if let me just explain
Guys,
something to you guys.
Let me just clarify our relationship. Our relationship with GJ, basically, GJ is my bitch.
Okay, we apologize for that language. We apologize.
She is.
What is your point? Let's go check out that GJ. He wants to look at some GJ shorts.
Oh, I wouldn't short GJ.
GJ. Ooh, look at my GU. So GU is holding now. We're seeing a rejection from what level?
I'd love to see some volume. Guys, we're gonna hit some shorts on Bitcoin soon.
Oh, don't you do this to me now.
We're just gonna wait for DXY to calm down a bit, and then DXY is gonna go long, and then we're going to
seeing a bit of a lag here, unfortunately, on TradingView. TradingView never fails to irritate me.
for a PTC short position.
Guys, can you see my...
If what's the TP will be for PTC position? Look,
Boys,
why would you get out of the trade if you
I just want to say
into a long?
If
That's
you
my
guys
question.
are not BE on GU, if anyone's in GU, get BE now. We're seeing a slight rejection from the 4-hour 50 MA, and we are seeing a rejection from the level I spoke about earlier, TCM #1. Go BE. You can secure 50% if that's what you like to do. But let's see if we can hold this to TP. Nasdaq has taken us out break even. It's not a problem. I tried to open a position with a lot size of 0.05, but I was unsuccessful. Minimum was 0.01. Ooh, okay, that's interesting. JK, let me check that problem out for you, and I'll let you know in the Discord.
All right, guys. Bitcoin is approaching a sell area.
What would the TP be for a short position on BTC? Should we run them through BTC?
My question is, why would you take profit if you not going into a long? So guys, I'm a swing trader. So what I do is I hedge. I double hedge. If you guys don't know what double hedging is, I used to swing GJ a lot. I still do. So if I'm in a long and I'm up, let's say 500,000 US, and I know, okay, the market is going to reverse at that point for God knows how much, because you never know how far the market is going. You're only using numbers to predict where the market is going. And that's why I like the universal numbers that we use. So if I know, okay, we're going to get a reaction there and it's going to give us enough reaction to go break even. If I'm in a long, I'll keep that long. I'll open one more contract more than the amount I bought with.
Yeah.
So basically what I do is I hedge it, but then I add one more contract to cover my commissions and my swaps overnight, and I get a reaction, I go break even. Now the market can sit for 1 month, 2 months, in between, 1 day, half a day, and you make money by doing nothing basically. You catch in the top, you catch in the bottom. If it wants to continue in that direction and you swing in, what happens is it takes out one of your positions, but you're still making money on the other side. So my thing is, if you're not going into a long, don't take profit.
What are my values of blue and black EMA, MA? The black one is 50 and the blue one is 200. It's looking like we're approaching TP, guys, on GU. What are your thoughts on a 62.4k short entry? Bitcoin.
Yeah, we're gonna see how the market react around there. You can't just go in there. You have to wait, see rejection, see how much liquidation are taken out in the market. Look at the orders that's going to be filled on the left side. Look at the footprint chart, and then you take it from there. But that's a good area. My favorite area currently on BTC US dollar is 63,200. Short it and let it run.
I just dropped in. It's called simple moving average, I think.
They wanted to run through GJ.
So simple, we can run through GJ now. So simple moving average for the black, 50, and for the blue, 200. They want to run through GJ.
I would take a long on GJ at 215 flat. 215 flat.
You want to go through it?
Yeah, just a pullback. 61.8, I can see it all by eye.
We want to see a pullback to this zone.
Yeah, 38.
2148. 215 flat.
Yeah, 215 flat.
So should I move this?
That will be a nice one.
So guys, possible GJ entry, 𝗕𝗟𝗎𝗪 the second and the third. Is saying that GJ is most likely to bounce from 61.8 level. Remember, 𝗕𝗟𝗎𝗪 is the GOAT of GJ. So if you guys want GJ trades, then 𝗕𝗟𝗎𝗪 the second is the GOAT.
You only need one GJ trade a month.
Exactly.
But for you guys on the stream, you know what? We can take along. Why not?
Why not?
If it can give it to us at a meeting point and we see a good reaction, why not?
And guys, what pairs or crypto have you guys been looking at today? Have you guys been only looking at Bitcoin? You looking at any other forex pairs? What exactly are you guys looking at? What forex pairs have you guys traded in the past? Because mostly me and 𝗕𝗟𝗎𝗪, we mostly focus on GBP USD, Euro USD, GJ, GBP NZD,
GBP.
GA.
So what I look at every day is GBP JPY, GBP AUD, GBP NZD, USD JPY, Bitcoin dollar, gold dollar, S&P 500, Nasdaq, US oil, and you should get an entry a day. And if your risk to reward is good,
Gold, they love gold there.
gold. I love gold too. Is the most difficult pair to trade in my opinion for people that are not professional and that not worked for a hedge fund before and don't know what a footprint chart is. Do not touch gold. It's not your game. There is no point. The reason I say to everyone trade currencies is because first of all, it moves way slower. So you have more of a chance to get out of your position. If you think it's not working, it's most likely to take you out, break even. You can risk more. So what people don't understand is that, oh, I'm going to risk 1% of my account and I'm going to make 50% because my stop loss is so tight, blah, 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 on gold. Why can't you risk 5% on a currency that moves slow and it gives you a chance to get out? Because from 1 to 2 on gold, that is 10 pips. On a currency, it doesn't move as fast. It's a tick on gold, you know?
Yeah, 100%.
Especially in the NYC session.
Yeah. So, I know you said, 𝗏𝗏, that you want us to explain a little bit about why we enter trades. Let me give you an absolutely perfect example on GU. So GU, I understand you weren't on the previous live stream, which is okay. You guys will definitely catch a trade. If not today, then I'm sure tomorrow. But this is exactly what you want to see. So for you guys, when you first understanding these concepts, okay? So firstly, let's go to the 4 hour. Now, these TCM levels I spoke about earlier, they are reversal points. They are where price they're almost invisible walls. You can call them that.
Just give me a second. Guys, for whoever is short in Bitcoin, you know what? I would recommend stay out for now. Wait for market to calm down a bit and look around 63,200 to short around that area. Because currently what's going on in the market, because of the fundamentals, and we just seeing 2 fundamentals came back behind each other. We have equal buyers, equal sellers. So no one is really in control between the area of 64,200 to 60,600. So there is equal buyers and equal sellers. We need some of them to take control. But that being said, it doesn't mean we can't make money out of it. We can. So what you need to do is be like, okay, the buyers are agreeing on this certain price, the sellers are agreeing on this certain price. You need to go with it.
100%.
Sell high, buy low. And you're going to do that today if you want. 63,200, it's a good area.
Yeah. Let me run you guys through this, what I was chatting about earlier. So, as I said, we were holding above this level right over here at the TCM midpoint. Now, we hold that level for a while. We never broke down that level since 2:30 this morning, okay? So what we saw is we saw price transacting to the upside. We saw price break the 50 MA, as I mentioned earlier. We saw price come respect that 50 MA, okay? We saw price move to the upside, respect the 50 MA again. And then we had one last push to the downside to take the 61.8, which is one of our fib reversal levels. Now, what happened when we hit that 61.8? If you guys zoom in, you'll see right over here. We rejected it on the first candle. Then we held that candle, had some selling pressure. But then the next candle was the indication that we were 100% going to go to the upside. We broke. So you could have entered here off this close. And then you could have entered again when we came broke and retested. So what we are looking for is how price reacts to these levels. You can't just enter off anything unless you're experienced in the market and you've done this for years and you understand exactly what's going on. We've obviously tested these tools all the time.
Yeah, if
We've
you look
been
at
doing it.
If you look at your level on Euro USD, it's respecting it beautifully.
Exactly.
Have you seen it on Euro USD?
It's beautiful. So look at this, guys. Look how we're respecting that 61.8. If you guys are in this trade, remember to take some profits if you guys aren't willing to hold for much longer. I think we did get around a 1:4.8. So what I would recommend is you can take around 75% of your position out right now if you guys are in this, and then let the rest ride. Let it ride.
Chento, you want to say hi to everyone? Chento's in the house, boys.
Yeah, I got my next meeting, but we're trying to make this make sense, you know? We have bad numbers. I think if they bomb Germany, we're at 400K tomorrow.
It's not making much sense.
You know,
Gold goes up, dollar goes up, everything just apparently
gold
decides.
up, dollar up, S&P up, Euro up, Nasdaq up.
I promise you, Bitcoin is gonna dump at 63,200 soon.
Bro, 63,200 from 60 flat is a 4.8 to 5.2% bump.
Yeah,
Today.
that's a lot.
By itself
Ridiculous.
is absolutely ridiculed.
It's insane. It's a joke, actually.
No one is in control.
No, it's
The buyers and the sellers are agreeing on the same price,
no one's in
basically.
control right now.
Exactly.
100%.
100%. So, boys, if you're on this GU trade, I would, close 75% of your position, take out profits. We got a 1:4.5, and if you guys are willing to hold the rest, let it run. I've taken out now 75% of my position on this GU long, and then the rest I'm gonna let ride the extra 25% to full TP. Now, guys, are you understanding why we explain this like this to you? Why we wait for the rejection? Why we actually let the candles almost tell us a story? These candles all tell their separate story. They tell you where price is most likely to go. If you look at candles that have massive wicks to the upside or massive wicks to the downside, then why would you enter a long, for example, if you had a massive wick to the upside, showing that sellers are in control? Like, you guys need to understand that candles do paint a picture, and they do show you where price is most likely to go. And if you use them with the correct levels, like 61.8, 38 fib, all of this, it can be very, very Very, very. What do you say? Where do you trade forex? Thanks for the offer, Thomas. No problem, brother. Why didn't you offer this trade to Discord? I did offer it. I spoke to you guys about it on the live stream. JK's back in GBP NZD, amazing. So I spoke about all these trades on the live stream. It's something that I've spoken about already. Unfortunately, I didn't post it in the Discord. I didn't get the chance. But if you guys were on that stream, you should have seen my entry levels. I did show you guys. Euro USD, we already secured 5%. Now, look at this, how we have reversed from this TCM. Do you guys see that type of reversal? This is the power of these levels. This is the power of...
And it's not levels that we took it off.
Yeah.
Like everyone else take the levels based on this candle body, blah, blah, blah. No, these are numbers calculated beforehand of numbers from certain areas, divided times and all of that. It's not just levels because of a body or the block and all that SMC bullshit, ICT,
all that nonsense
that you see on the...
What broker am I using?
Instagram.
I'm using 𝗪𝗏𝗡, Sasha. Guys, you need to understand that this is not bullshit what we showing you guys here. Could you go over the TCM levels again? I missed that explanation. I think
we'll explain it tomorrow on the Discord. We don't have much time on here.
100%. So guys, let me just explain something to you. I'm gonna tomorrow give you like a 15-minute rundown on TCM levels and how they actually work. What we'll do is King Azule will give his input as well. So if you guys want to learn about how these TCM levels work, how you can get into, you could have got into something like this. You could have taken your one TCM midpoint, aimed straight for your R1, your TCM
I mean,
1.
Sorry to cut you, Thomas, but this is what I was talking about earlier. Why would you take profit if you're not shorting? So this is exactly what I'm talking about. If I'm in a long and I know I'm going to see a reaction there, why should I take profit if I can hedge that position and go break even when the market is in the middle? And if it take me out on either side, that's fine. I'm still on the other side, and therefore I'll be making money without doing anything.
100%.
But you need to know a way to get in. That's the golden question. Where do I get in? So guys, let's wrap it up for today. We have...
let's wrap it up. Show you guys what we went through. Show them GBP, NZD, show them GU, EU, show them everything.
So guys, for crypto...
Yo, look at that reaction of 200 MA.
There is possibility the market will reverse from here, but you know what? Me personally, I'll prefer the market if it reverses from there. And if it does, what we will do is, while we in this short, market comes all the way down to here, we go long. There's no need to put an SL over here. You just need to be break even on this one, and you open the exact same contracts that you opened on the short, and now you double hedging.
100%.
And therefore, market goes in the middle, you go break even on the both sides. You can be taken out on each side. On either side of them, you'll be making more money by doing nothing. Unless you decide to risk it and take each side separately, which is also fine.
So just one thing, where do you place a stop loss if you buy at 0.618? What we do is I have a fixed stop loss. I keep the same stop loss no matter what, because at the end of the day, our stop loss is calculated with numbers. It's not just a random number that I've come up with.
It changes every day, but our minimum risk to reward is 1 to 5.
Exactly. Are there any transactions to make? I missed most of the stream. There's nothing really right now at this point.
Bitcoin,
Kilash,
this is our entry for Bitcoin around here, and this is our entry for long.
You can make that stop loss around 150 pips, Steph. So
For
for GJ, if he wants to have a fixed stop loss.
you mean 15 pips?
Yeah, sorry, 15 pips.
For
150 ticks.
GJ, here we go. It's approaching the entry. Remember, it is a risky one. It's a midpoint. You see a reaction from here.
All of them are 1 to 5.
If
yes.
you really want to wait and see, okay, is it gonna react? What you can do is that
no, guys,
take
wait
a
for
long.
it. Take a long on that candle closure on the 15 minute if they give you a bullish candle closure.
Take a long. And then target 1 to 5. Or what you can do is wait for the candle to come spike wherever it wants to spike. The 15 minutes close. If you want extra layer of confirmation, you can wait for a green candle to go close green on the 15 minutes. You enter 1 to 5. You can use 5 pips or 10 pips stop loss. And then go for it. Why not? And please do not risk more than 3.3% if you are in our Discord, unless you are doing a challenge with Thomas.
Exactly. What is your advice for me? I've recently graduated. So, you want to learn. So, guys, if you join every single Discord live stream and you join every single live stream we make, you're gonna learn tips. We like to especially give our tips to the guys on the Discord because, you know, we value guys a lot. You're interacting with us on the daily. So understand, if you guys do want some tips and tricks, which we will be providing every single Discord stream, make sure to be on our Discord at ScalpX. It should be in the bio. So make sure to be there. And do you have an Instagram for trading? Yes, I do. I can drop that Instagram right in this.
Wow, look at that reaction of that. Beautiful.
Here's my Instagram if you guys want to follow my previous challenge. You want to drop yours?
No.
𝗕𝗃𝗄𝗎 is actually a very private guy. You guys can just search 𝗕𝗃𝗄𝗎 on Instagram and you might find him. That's actually his cousin.
No, guys, come on.
So guys, this is not the real 𝗕𝗃𝗄𝗎. He's actually
I was not being taught by a Shannon master when I was
GBP
a delivery
JPY
boy.
SL. They want the SL for GBP JPY. Can you guys not see the price? Let me give you SL.
Do you guys understand what to do with GBP
So
JPY?
stop level 214874. Can you share the Bitcoin trade on your Discord? 100%. We'll share all of this on our Discord. At the moment, there's nothing much to. I sent Thomas a DM on Discord. I hope you hear from me soon. 100%, brother. I'll send you a message back.
Oh, look at that beautiful reaction on GJ.
So guys, we in on GJ. We're getting a nice reaction. Where would you say that they can go be? 1 is to 2?
Yeah, wherever they want. I mean, it could come back a bit lower. It's guys, the thing is, you don't really know where the market is going. All you gotta do is have your risky rewards right, go in small, come out big. That's what matters at the end of the day. You can be trading a different style. I trade a different style than Thomas. Thomas trade a different style than me. He makes more money than me. I make more money than him in a different market condition. It's all about risk management at the end of the day. But most important is execution is the last thing you do. Knowing market direction is the first thing you need to know. Is like, where is the market going? Why is it going there? Why is it reacting to that level? Guys, Thomas, do you have anything to say? We'll keep you guys updated. So the GJ, we were looking for long. Currently, everyone in GBP NZD, GBP AUD, GBP NZD is in a little of drawdown, which is absolutely fine.
What time and time zone are you guys usually go live here on Discord? We usually go live at around 11 a.m. SAST, so that is around 10 a.m. GMT plus 2. So if you guys haven't joined the Discord, join it. now if you guys want exclusive access to us speaking to us on the general chat on the daily,
Guys,
then,
I would love to stay on here, but I'm quite sick today actually, but I managed to show up. The aircon in here is killing me. I need to leave, so bye for now, and
we'll see you guys
happy
tomorrow.
trading. I'll update everyone on the Discord. Ciao.
Yeah.